So this is mochi. We just buy this at the Mega Mall, and there's a lot of we can call this kakanin in Tagalog, but there's ube, hopia, and so much more. There's biko and much more. So the ingredients of this one is glutinous rice, sugar, mungo, coffee, and water. So there's only 6 pieces, and I will eat them all. I sneak food downstairs. I'm on diet. There you go. See how crunchy is this? Oh my gosh. I wish I'm on diet. See how it looks like. See, delicious mochi special mocha. One bite. See how crunchy is that? Delicious. You know why I make this one delicious? Because of the mungo. I don't know. With coffee and that's one. So this time there's 5 more. So to make this one quick to finish, so having a hard time with the tripod. This time I will eat 2. There you go. Oh, my gosh. It's really crunchy. See this one? There's a lot of food like this in the Philippines, wherein it really satisfy my need. And there's two more. I love the taste. That's the great thing about having vacation in the Philippines. That, you know, of course, the first priority is to visit our son and my dad that passed away last May. To fulfill our mission, especially to eat this special mochi. Oh, there you go. It's empty now. I already satisfied my crave. Oh, this is one of the delicious kakanin, wherein my wife doesn't know that I ate all of it. Oh, bye-bye.